If you've ever opened your air fryer mid-cook just to check on your food and immediately ruined the crisp, the timing, and, honestly, your whole dinner plan, you already know how frustrating that little moment can be. And if you're cooking for a family or trying to get multiple dishes done at once, that frustration multiplies fast. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus XL 8-quart ClearCook Air Fryer is designed specifically to fix that kind of everyday kitchen chaos. It's built for people who want speed, visibility, and less guesswork when cooking real meals at home. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, what makes this air fryer stand out is the ClearCook window. Instead of constantly pulling the basket out to check progress, you can actually see your food cooking in real time. It sounds like a small thing, but in daily use, it changes how you interact with the appliance. The design feels modern, but not over-designed, with a solid black finish that fits into most kitchens without looking bulky or out of place. The basket itself slides in with a reassuring weight to it, not too light, not overly heavy, and it gives you the sense that this is built for regular use, not occasional experiments. In terms of build quality, it carries that familiar Instant Pot reliability. The materials feel sturdy, especially around the handle and basket mechanism, which are usually the first points to wear out on cheaper air fryers. The touchscreen interface is clean and responsive, and while it offers multiple cooking modes, it doesn't overwhelm you with unnecessary complexity. It's more about guiding you through cooking than forcing you to learn a complicated system. That balance between flexibility and simplicity is something a lot of air fryers struggle with, but this one handles it better than most in its category. When it comes to real performance, this is where the Vortex Plus XL starts to justify its place in the kitchen. The EvenCrisp technology does a solid job of circulating heat evenly, which means you get that golden, crunchy texture without constantly shaking or rotating food. Fries come out crisp on the outside, but still soft inside, and proteins like chicken or fish cook through without drying out too quickly. The 1700-watt heating system helps it reach cooking temperature fast, which makes a noticeable difference when you're trying to put dinner together on a tight schedule. One of the most practical features is how well it fits into a normal routine. You're not standing over it or babysitting it constantly. The ClearCook window actually reduces the need to open and interrupt cooking cycles, which helps maintain temperature consistency. Noise levels are moderate, similar to most mid to high-range air fryers, so it doesn't become disruptive in the background while you're doing other things in the kitchen or living room. Cleanup is also straightforward, with dishwasher-safe baskets that make post-meal cleanup feel like a quick task instead of a chore. Now, it's not perfect, and that's important to be honest about. While the 8-quart size is great for families, it can feel oversized if you're only cooking for 1 or 2 people. It also takes up a fair amount of counter space, so it's not ideal for very small kitchens. And while the window is useful, it can get slightly foggy during heavy cooking, which limits visibility at certain temperatures. These aren't deal breakers, but they do matter depending on your setup and expectations. Compared to other air fryers in the same range, like standard basket-style models without viewing windows, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus XL stands out mainly for convenience and usability. Some competitors may offer slightly faster crisping or smaller footprints, but they often lack the real-time visibility and smoother user experience this one provides. Against dual basket systems, it obviously doesn't split cooking zones, but it makes up for that with simplicity and a larger unified cooking space that's easier for big, single meal preparations. So who is this really for? It's best suited for families, meal preppers, or anyone who wants a reliable, no-stress air fryer that reduces guesswork and keeps cooking predictable. If you like the idea of checking your food visually without interrupting the process and want something that can handle full meals without constant adjustment, this fits that role really well. At the end of the day, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus XL isn't trying to reinvent cooking. It's trying to make it more controlled, more visible, and less frustrating. And for most people upgrading from a basic air fryer, that difference is immediately noticeable. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description. And if this review helped you decide, consider liking the video and subscribing for more honest, real-world kitchen breakdowns.